Hey, what's up, Arthur? Nice to see you.
Yes.
No hugs. I'm sorry, no hugs.
No hugs. Oh, you still, Mr. Social
I'm just
Distance?
Yeah, I'm just documenting. Where you been?
Oh man, busy.
Man, I'm very disappointed they did not appoint you for a council member.
No,
But I think Pat Furry doesn't like you.
yeah, I'm pretty sure he doesn't like me either.
I was happy you called in last time and told him he's responsible. He's
Yeah,
responsible!
It's his fault. This would have been taken care of 3 years ago.
Exactly, he's our leader.
And then he's supposed to cast him out. Just kick him out. He's just awful. I'm voting for George Chen. If he gets elected, then I can apply for the seat again.
All right.
I live in District 2.
I don't think he's gonna be elected.
You don't think so?
Look at that, somebody called the ambulance!
Uh-oh, what did you do?
All right. So I don't see this sign. I'm gonna have to turn around and show the signs.
Yep,
Do not comply. All right.
that's right.
Nice to see you.
Yes.
And
We have to kill that stupid sales tax push.
oh, I'm making videos what the police and the fire doing already with our money. They're going to the beach. Watch my videos, Arthur.
And they don't eat here, right? They don't.
No, they go to Redondo Beach because the food is better in Redondo Beach. And after they make comments like, I don't know what is Torrance and Redondo Beach. They even so stupid, they don't know which city is which city. All right, I go see the other side. I'll be back, Arthur. All right, looks like they're organizing it from this side. The majority of the people on this side. Who I have 21 seconds left. Okay, show your sign. Yes. All right, I'm just documenting.
Okay.
All right, let's not get hit here though. Cars are coming. I know. I'm risking my life to document this event. I'm walking in traffic. Let me know when they're coming behind me.
Okay. You're okay right now.
All right. Freedom, not force. All right. No cars coming yet. Hey, Henry! Mr. Henry! Mr. Henry! Hello! HONK for freedom!
Yes, that's right.
What's
What's up? Oh, they're coming now. All right, looks like this side is more popular, more people on this side. Come on, don't sit in the shade. Come get some suntan. Anyhow, so it looks like the people gathered on this side. Oh no! Now I have to put my video on age restricted. You should say let's go,
Brandon.
Brandon. Yeah.
This works, John. This works better.
All right. I know this way the children understand it too. All right. So as you can see, pretty big turnout. And you can still buy the merchandise. I wonder what Mr. Henry doing there. Maybe he's selling the drinks. You can buy t-shirts, all kind of t-shirts. All right, Mr. Henry, what is your how you call this assignment here?
School choice petition drawing.
Yes. Having people sign up. All right. How many people signed up yet? Oh, you got something for me? All right. So do you have enough water because you are sitting in the sunshine? All right. Oh, so you are with the schools? It says schools choice. Anti-school. All right, I take some pictures of the t-shirts. Arthur is working the other side. I don't know if it's gonna show up good or not. So these are the t-shirts available here. Okay. Okay. So how much I have to per cut for a shirt here?
Hi, 25.
$25. All right, people, come here and bring your money and buy your favorite shirt.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, we're gonna go on this side again when no traffic and read the signs again.
There's a lot of people.
Lots of people today showed up. I thought it's gonna be like Arthur Shopper and 3 more people.
Yeah.
But today we have a big crowd. Big crowd. Even my neighbors came out today.
Oh my, they're all the sick ones.
All right. Oh no, they're still coming. Anyway, I just want to show them more t-shirts. You can read it. This is the place you can get your merchandise. And did I say $25 a pop?
Oh, thank you. Blessings to you. Appreciate it.
All right, here is your chance. Everybody can show the sign.
Freedom! No more mandates!
No more mandates!
Stop the mandates!
Honk for freedom! Honk that hard!
People letting their voice know, their opinion. And this one is selling you flashlights because flashlights are good to see in the dark. Children are here.
You're gonna get kicked out of here, and I'm like,
Oh no, cars are coming. All right. It's not easy to film this event because the cars are coming. Arthur working the crowd. Each one of the corners here. We have four corners.
That's right.
This corner is the most popular.
Can you imagine? I mean,
People like the sunshine.
like the city of Torrance. I think it was last year they were thinking about mandating masks even here. They voted. I mean, they all voted it down. But
It's
the
all
fact that they
choice.
didn't discuss
If
it.
you wanna wear a mask, wear a mask. If not, not.
But don't make me wear one. We went in, did you see us last year at the school board meeting? We went in and we didn't wear our masks. We went to the auditorium. And so then the chief business officer complained and he went to the police and the police said, we're not gonna do anything.
Hey,
So it's great.
did you see that Pat Furry has this special meeting in the meeting hall between the closed session and the regular council meeting?
Okay.
And he told the people, it was like 50 people in there, hold your breath and take off your mask. And then they made a picture. But they saying to you what to do.
Yep. That's why I haven't gone to the city council meetings in person. I don't want to wear a mask.
Well, I was worried about you. I thought something happened to you. But nice to see you. Nice to see you alive and kicking. All right, I'm gonna go to the other side. Where is the button to push? We're gonna go there and read those signs too.
So what is your name?
My name is Andy.
Andy. You seem like you're enjoying yourself, Andy.
All right,
I saw.
we're gonna cross here and see this group of people. I don't wanna left anybody out. All right. So as you can see, these guys like the shade. They are in the shady side. All right. I'm just reading the signs. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, that's a hard to read.
Let me hold it for you.
That's a hard to read. It's backwards. Wait, my gimbal. All right. Now I think I got you. All right.
There you go.
But now I cannot see the screen, but I think I got it. All right. Be careful. Be hydrated. Don't forget to drink.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Good thing you are in the shade. I go see those guys.
Drivers for freedom.
All right. It's already too hot. I think I'm not gonna stay here too long because the weather is heating up. All right, I'm gonna read your sign too. All right, both sides the same? No. All right. People honking. Hurry up, you have only 7 seconds left. 6, 5.
We made it.
All right, you made it to the other side. All right, so beautiful sunny Saturday morning, and the weather is wonderful. It's getting too hot for me. The people came out and letting their opinion known. People can honk. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Okay, thank you.
I be recognized again.
My kids. Okay, we're gonna get all that in the bathroom.
All right.